Hello everyone, welcome back to Frontend Sutra. So today we'll be learning about another concept of ES6 version of JavaScript, and the name of this concept is arrow functions. So arrow functions, we can say arrow function is an advanced part of creating or initializing a function in JavaScript, and this concept, arrow function is one of the most important concept of JavaScript which you are going to use in every framework or in every library of JavaScript. So let's just start. First of all, I will just tell you in older JavaScript or in ES5 JavaScript how we were creating a function. Let me just create a function. We just have to write create, and I will just create a function named as greet. Okay, and I will just mm, return hello Akash. Okay, now what I have to do? Now I just have to pre- uh, call this function, and now I will just okay. So we just have to console. We have to log this function, by the way. Sorry. So as you can see, first I have created a function named as greet in which I am returning hello Akash. And then in the next line, let me just zoom it. So in the next line, I'm calling this function and logging it to my console. Hello Akash. So it is just printing hello Akash. Okay. So now I will tell you how we can do this with the help of arrow functions. A variable. So let me say let uh, greet is equals to okay. So now now is the most important part of arrow function. You have to start these cur- round brackets and just create a arrow. This is a arrow function. In or you can say I just simply call it sometime fat arrow function. Like now this greet is the name of function. Okay, now this is the name of function. Just keep this in mind. Let greet is the name of function, and this these brackets are used to give parameters or arguments to a function. So let us just do the same thing which we were doing back. So I will just log hello world here. Okay. Uh, hello Akash too. Okay, and I will just call my function. This is greet two. Okay, and this is greet one. I will just call greet two, and let's see what happens here. Okay, a console.log greet is not sorry. I will just comment this. Okay, so as you can see, now I have created arrow function. This is a name of function greet. I have created an arrow. You just have to write the name of function and just equal and then round brackets, and you have to create a arrow with the help of equal to less than sign, and then start a curly braces and write the code in that function. And in the next line, you have to call the function. As you can see, I've called the function name greet2. It is printing my name hello Akash2. Okay, so now we will create a function with parameters. Just take an example. We will add two values. Okay, so with the help of arrow functions, I have created a function let sum. Okay, so I have told you these round brackets used to give parameters to the function. So I will just give values a comma b. Okay, now we will create an arrow. Okay, now what I have to do? I just have to do I will log these values console log a plus b. Okay, first let me just run it and I will explain you. I will just start my. Oh, sorry, I haven't given any values, so I will just give 12 and 23. So the thing is, I've created a function named as sum, and I have give two parameters a and b. Okay, two arguments a and b, and then I'm consoling the sum of these two values console.log a plus b, and then it is a simple way how we are going to call the function. I call the function and I pass two values 12 and 13. these two values are acting as A and B in a variable in this function. Got it? So, as I told you, you are going to use arrow functions in every fifth or sixth line when you are going to work on React, Next.js, Node, or Express.js. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.